Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're gonna jump into yet another session of ICMIZER. We're gonna jump into the Sunday Million spots that we've been playing, the push or fold situations. We can see that we are actually at the top 5% ranking here after these few sessions that we've played. And what I wanted to focus on is I wanted to take a look at the payouts, because this is what actually influences our decisions the most on the final table spots and also on the pre-final table, but then it's not that much because then you only care about the pay jumps possibly, but on the final table the pay jumps are much pre-final table you care less about the pay jumps, and on the final table, as you can see from the 9th place, you've got 0.078% of the prize pool, and on the 1st place you've got 15%. So it really makes sense. What really influences your decisions on the final table is the fact that top three players get 34% of the prize pool. So let's jump right into it, and I think we're gonna go for the call spots once again, and we're gonna try and select the one where we've got the weakest ranking, and this is, well, maybe let's pick any of the 8 max spots, and let's go, let's play them. Okay, middle position with pocket jacks on 9.4 BBs. And everyone's around the same stack. I think jacks are an easy push here. Ace king as well. Pocket tens as well, and ace king suited. And tens are not a push here, surprisingly. According to ICMIZER, we should only push jacks plus here, ace king suited, ace king off. I mean, you're on the middle position. We've got lots of players are around a similar stack. This is probably about just staying alive and letting all these players eliminate themselves. But I think folding pocket tens here is really hurting our chances to get to top 3. But yeah, of course, this is assuming UTG is pushing 17%. It's probably pushing more than that. 8-handed. But yeah, this is how we should play, guys. Jacks plus, ace king off, and ace king suited. That's it. Okay, now 42 BBs with the chip leader, and there's an all-in from the middle position player for 6.2 BBs. I think ace 9 with 3 players being short. Ace 9 suited should make the cut here. Sixes should probably make the cut here as well. Let me think about this. Yeah, ace 9 off as well, but maybe 5s are too weak. Let's see. Okay. So wait, this says 3 out of 4. Okay, so 5s are incorrect. So 5s are a call, and even 4s are a call. And this is actually ace 9 off plus. I was thinking wider, maybe ace 8, 8, 7, and ace 8 suited plus. I had probably something like 18% range in my mind. But definitely more populated around the aces and not pocket pairs. But it's interesting here. Okay, 3 out of 4, not the worst result. Let's go to the next one. Here we've got lots of players on the 16 to 18 big blind place or spot. These two guys on 10 to 12 and these two 5 to 7. And the shorter stack shoves. Now, is ace jack a reshove here? I think not. But let's yeah, I think not. And ace 10 suited is not gonna be a reshove either. Pocket eights are not gonna be in reshove and sevens are not gonna be a reshove. And this is completely wrong. All these hands should be a reshove here, as we should reshove 8.4%. So sevens plus, ace 10 suited plus, ace 10 off. Maybe a good way of thinking about it is that if this player didn't shove, what we would shove then versus these two guys, and that we're really just risking 5.6 BBs versus this guy. And if we think about it this way, this range makes sense. So yeah. Okay, but we see it's good that we picked this spot because we seem to have quite a bit of leaks here. Right now 33 BB stack, small blind shoves to us, and 10-8 suited is gonna be a call. Jack 10 off is gonna be a call as well. Queen 7 suited and 3 deuce suited. Is 3 deuce suited gonna be a call here or not? I think not. It should be like, what, 80%? It's much lower than that. It's 45%. So it's king 10 suited plus, queen 3 suited plus, jack 7, 10 7 plus, queen 8 off plus, jack 9, jack 10, 10 9, all off suited kings and aces and all pocket pairs. Okay. Good. Let's go to the next one. Ace 10 off on the cutoff. 18 big blind stack. Yeah, just 2 guys or 3 guys slightly lower. Oh, and this one's 2. Now what do we do with ace 10 off here? I don't think we push it. I don't think we reshove ace 9 suited either. Ace jack suited definitely. And king queen suited, I think should make the cut as well or not. Well, we folded ace 10 off, so let's fold king queen suited as well, and that's correct. So we should be reshoving 8s plus, ace jack suited plus ace jack off here. So ace 10 suited is also a fold here. All right. Now ace-10 suited middle position 1, 23 big blind stack, 3 guys on 5, 6, or 4 guys on 5 to 7 BBs, and 4 guys on 17 to 23. So is ace-10 suited a reshove here from middle position? I think it's not. It's a fold. Ace-9 suited is a fold as well, and ace-8 suited is a fold. But because of these hands, I think we made a mistake. And it's probably... so we're gonna push 9s, and it's probably looser than we think. And it's actually ace-9 suited plus, ace-10 off plus, and 7s plus. You know, I was thinking something like ace-jack off plus, probably. And 9s plus, so much tighter. Another good one to memorize. Pocket fours on the hijack, 18 big blind stack. 2 guys are short, but we're not calling here with pocket fours. I don't think so. At least. I mean, we're not reshoving because it's different. 8s we are, king queen off we're not. Ace-9. I think we are, right? Ace-9 off. Okay, so ace-9 off should also be a fold here. And it should be actually ace-jack off plus. So we didn't get it a little bit wrong. We did it quite a bit wrong. We got it quite a bit wrong. It's not even ace-10 off here, so good to remember this as well. 7s plus, ace-jack off plus, ace-10 suited plus. Okay. Now pocket 7s as the chip leader. With this guy being short, these guys being around 7 to 9. But this guy on the small blind's got 26 BBs. I think we fold 7s here. Or do we? We got 10 big blinds more than this guy. Let's fold them. Or not? I think it may be 7s plus. Ace-10 off, king queen suited, and ace-8 suited plus. Let's see. Yeah, we got it right. It's actually 5s plus. Ace-9 off plus, ace-7 suited plus. And king queen suited is here as well, so cool, we got this right. And on the cutoff now, 33 big blind stack. There's quite a bit of these small stacks. And we're the chip leader, but small blind's got 29 BBs. I think we reshove here ace-10 because he's gotta be very, very tight to call here. And what about ace-7 suited? I think that would be a little too loose. 8s plus for sure. 4s not. And 4 out of 4. Nice. It's ace-9 suited plus, ace-10 off plus, and 6s plus. Not king queen suited. Okay. Right, question number 10. Let's see what we got. Middle position, 18 BBs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 guys around 6 to 8 BBs. We're on a mid stack, and two guys have 31 BBs. I don't think ace-9 suited is a call here. Neither are sixes or ace-10 off. But ace-jack suited probably makes the cut. And that's correct. Should be 5.4% range, 9s plus, ace-jack suited plus, ace-queen off plus. Nice. Let's quit the quiz and see how our yeah, we've improved it quite a bit to 7%, the 8 max spots. So that's great. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you stayed this long, please leave a comment below. Just write ICMIZER or ask any question you might have. Yeah, next up we're gonna play, not really sure, probably we're gonna stick to the final table. Maybe this time, once again, we'll just select any call spot and see if we can get this number down lower than 7%, because it's been around this for the last, I think, 2 sessions. You know, decreasing these particular spots don't really seem to have a big effect on this. So maybe we should just play this as in general, and let's see if this has improved. No, we're still top 5%. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. You want to learn how to play poker? Great. You have little or no experience playing poker? No problem. Do you want to learn the fundamentals, the most basic principles that allow you to easily win money when playing with casual players? That's perfect, because this course was created specifically for people like you. My name is Mateusz, I've played over 3 million hands of No Limit Texas Hold'em, and I'd like to teach you how to play poker like a pro. What you will learn in this course are the fundamentals, the ABC of poker, condensed into 21 short and easily digestible lectures. In each lecture, you will learn a different concept which you can test out and practice immediately after watching. Well, do you want to become a good poker player? Do you want to be able to beat recreational players easily? Do you want to have a great time winning at your local home games? Great! Get this course now and start winning at poker.